Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As we were in the earlier video explaining about the boot liner bag that we store this little puppy in, we thought I'd do a little demo on what we take away when we do the gas cooking. So we have two options. One option is obviously the big 2 litre or 2 kilo bottle of gas, which, you know, it can be big, it can be bulky, and you have an extra cable. But what I found on eBay was this. What is that, you ask? Okay, with this little gizzo here, it actually screws into the top of one of these two cylinders. So you've got your Coleman 1 pound bottle, and you've got this brand X from Bunnings, similar prices. I know they're a bit expensive, but when you're light on space, you do what you have to do. I found these good. I can cook a meal, plenty of things to go on that. So what we'll do now is to show you how this all connects up to probably this bottle here, the old cheapo one. We'll put that one up one side, and I'll show you how we connect this up to the stove. All right guys, it's a gas bottle and it's not reverse thread. This one here is righty tighty. So just turn it right, spin it around. I find it better to put the bottle on the catch rather than the catch on the bottle. You just want it hand tight. That one's on. Obviously there's a little knob here that says on and off. Obviously it's off because you can't hear any gas running out. And we'll just connect this one up to the stove. Hey guys, we're back. We've connected it all up. Obviously it has a little knob here that says on and off. We've tested it with our soapy water, so we know all the gas seals are fine. So we'll just turn her on, I suppose. So turn her on like that. And then we'll turn the gas stove on. And she's a go, there you go. It'll run quite well, no problems at all. Burning well. But what I do, when I turn it off, I just don't turn it off here. I run the line out of gas. So I turn the cylinder off first and let the gas run out of the line before I disconnect it. There we go, disconnected. We turn our little knobs off, make sure they're off. And we're right to go. Now these cylinders, they do say they are refillable. Well, they're not refillable, I should say, sorry. There are YouTube clips out there with guys filling these up. Up to yourselves. Not condoning or condemning those people that fill them up. It's completely up to you. Me, I find that they're cheap enough, 10 bucks, you know, no biggie. Obviously just to disconnect it, we know the gas has run out. Unscrew it. And you're right to go. So yeah, hope that's been a help.